Okay, yeah, so basically on US30 I'm waiting the price pushing to 26,900 after it's made the bigger pullback to the trend line, the 61.80 or the 7860. This level also really, really strong support resistance level. And after I'm waiting the downside move. Let's go back on board just for a sec. At the moment it's not looking too good. The price starts pushing to the downside. We had some football confirmation on this level, but looks like the price is still bearish.
Shit, let's go with this.
I have the stop loss at 1,934. I'm just risk 1%, so if it stops me out, I'm fine. We will see in the next few minutes, I guess. The TPs, if it's continue to the upside, the TP one is 1,950. Second one is 1,965. The third one is 1,978. Let me see the other scenario. So if the price broke the trend line and it still continue to the downside, it can be go down to 1,924.
Lens, can you please show the pattern you see on gold?
Up, down, up, down. What is this?
Bearish M.
Bearish M.
But it looks like head and shoulders on H4, no?
Okay, if you check the H4, what is this basically? Up, down, up, down.
Big bullish.
Yeah, if you check it from here, it's big bullish. And also if you check the bigger, so the bigger picture also, here is the daily trend line. So actually the price is still bullish. But at this point it looks like it's consolidating.
Can you put Fib on 15 minutes on the last leg?
Where would you like I place the fuel?
From low to high, there is a green candle.
From where?
Oh, red candle, sorry.
Can you show me please?
Yeah.
On my screen.
You saw it, I drew it.
I can't see anything. Where is it?
I drew it. Okay, I drew it. From low to high, you can put this Fib. It is possible.
What do you want to see on it? From low to high.
Yeah, it's not respecting. Yeah, or it's respecting 78.6.
I'm just checking my phone. I'm still in the trade, so it doesn't tap the stop loss. Okay, so that's all from gold. We go around US30.
Ben, can I just ask you a quick question?
Yes, you can.
If the body of the candle doesn't break the Fib level, it's still valid, right? If just the wick goes and the body doesn't cut the 78 or the 61, it's still valid, that level, right?
Okay. Basically, it's also possible now. They're showing the huge bearish candle Why? Because they need to show this trend line is broken with huge bearish candles. So, you know, lots of people start to taking short. You know, so it can be still pushing much higher, close above to the trend line, but I guess that we see the next candle. So if the next 15 minutes candle closed really bearish, I think lots of people taking short position. So it can be still fake breakout on the trend line, but we will see, so it's fine.
Makes sense. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Okay, GJ. So you know exactly when US 30 pushing down, GJ also pushing down. The bigger picture, it's still very bearish, and I'm just place the Fibonacci on the daily from high to low. Yeah, you can see the minus 27 already tapped, and actually it's tapped the minus 68 to what was 133,700. So I think this point possible we get some pullback. I use the last Fibonacci. So also you can see the minus 27 it's reached. So yeah, I think possible bigger pullback on GJ, and if the trend line is broken to the upside, we can expecting some bigger pullback again on the daily. First we need to wait how the candle closed. It's still very bearish. So high to low, you can find the 61.80 matches with this strong support resistance level in the trend line. So if the price coming back to this level, the question what's happening. If it's respecting, it can be fall a little bit more lower. If it's not respecting, and actually this is what I think, because I think we need some bigger pullback, it can be pushing back to the 127 level after pullback, inverse head and shoulder, and we can wait for some bigger pullback, and we can wait for the bigger time frame head and shoulder. So this is what I think from GBP, GPY, and actually we can stop as well. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and after the huge side, because we know exactly the weekly, it's very bearish, and at this point the price stopped the 78.60. Have you any question from GBP, GPY?
Yeah, probably I would have one.
Nem hallok semmit. Szerintem dobja. Olyan a hangod, mintha ilyen mesefigura lenne.
Jó, akkor egy pillanat.
Shit, Lord. Think my stop.
Most jó.
Most jó, aha.
Cool. So I would have a question. Actually, as I analyze this, I drew a trend line from high to low. What?
You share your screen.
Okay. So everything is visible now?
Yes.
Cool. So actually, I just drew a trend line from here, high to low, and here this point is got broken, but retested right now. So in my case, I would think that it will turn back this way, because if I draw a trend line from here, low to high, tapping here, do you see or do you think that it is possible to turn back here right now? Because, you know, here is a kind of trend line which is tapped many times and broken once, and probably it can be a retest, right?
Yeah.
And the other question is, okay, I don't know what my other question is. Anyways, so yeah, that was my question though.
Go back on your chart. Let me see other figures. Can you share your screen again?
Yeah, just doing. So here we are. Yeah.
So yeah, basically 78. Okay. You can see the big pattern here. What is this?
Bullish M.
Yes. So basically you can put the figure from low to high and you can see 78.60 and it's already broken. Let's have a look at the weekly. Let's go on the weekly, please. Yeah, it's the same figure.
Well, why do you think it's broken? I mean, if I just put the fibble from here to here, 78.60 is not still broken, or do you think it's broken here?
Let's have a look. It's 134. And you know, the currently price actually is 30 pips below.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. Thanks.
Was with the stop loss. Okay. You can see GA broke the weekly trend line. So actually I'm waiting the retest on it and I make the marks up with this horizontal array and it's the figure from low to high. You can see it's the 127, the 78.60 price already not respected, so I'm expecting we can find the trend line break and after the price